Hello, and welcome to another episode of Where's the Trade? My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and today I'm going to focus in on option activity in HBQ. What we are looking at first is the daily chart, and just taking a look back here, the things that we want to look at, especially when sizing up a trade, is where's the stock at, what's it's doing, and how good of a job is it doing. Now, we have seen this rip higher over the last few weeks in HBQ. A lot of it on the gap lower was because of some issues with how they reported their earnings. Now we've seen this rip higher here, and we are coming into this downtrend that has been intact since February. If we back this chart up and we go look at a 5-year weekly chart, you could see here we have that downtrend as well, and we have where we would line up right about that $15 area. So we see a little bit of a pause here, and when we look at risk to reward, or when I look at risk to reward, I ask myself, well, how much more upside is there, or how much more downside do I have? And those are the ways I size up my trades, trying to look for the best risk to reward. If we take a look here at the option activity in HPQ today, you see that there's some option activity in the weeklies here, and 83% of these weeklies traded on the bid. The ones that I wanted to focus in on, which were the most active strike in HBQ today, was these December 15s. Now, when we're looking at option activity, you want to ask yourself, what could they possibly be doing when you don't know if they're being bought or sold? Well, this strike specifically, 56% of them traded on the bid, and a little bit could be because of how the market traded. But when we look at the upside here, or what could occur, it looks as if 15 is going to be that resistance level. So with that, I ask myself, and I'm piecing the puzzles together, I'm saying to myself, well, earlier in the day, the top trades were traded on somewhat of the bid and offer, but the majority of them in the afternoon came in on the bid. So with this, what I'm looking at and what I'm piecing together is that we've had this run up, the speculation, and part of the run up is due because of chatter of Carl Icahn potentially taking a stake in this company. And what I think is that this is going to be one of those buy the rumors, sell the news. And when we look at 15, 15 is a key level. So where's the trade? Well, if you think there's some more upside left, I think selling the 15 calls against the January 15 calls could potentially set up. I think the other better strategy potentially is buying stock and selling calls. And when I say buy the stock, I think maybe potentially if you're going to get on the boat of sitting in the stock long term, that you could start selling these weekly calls and the monthly calls against it to generate a income against it and create more of a profit. So that is my thoughts on the option activity on HBQ. Here's what I would like for you to do now. Make sure you click subscribe if you haven't. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment below. Tell me why you liked it, why you did not like it. And if you found the information to be valuable and you think that there's someone else out there that you know that could use the information or find the information valuable, make sure you click the share icon here and share the video with them.